Welcome to the Lisboa 600, 700 and 800 pedestal base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the spider, the column and the base. You will need thread lock and an impact drill. Firstly, unscrew the pre-assembled screws from the top and bottom of the column. Stand the column upright and place the spider on top, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the spider and tighten with the drill. Flip the column over and place the base into the cutouts on the bottom of the column. Lastly, apply thread lock to the 4 screws with the plate, place them through the base and tighten with the drill. The Lisboa bases are available in a table or dry bar, featuring a slimline block design with adjustable foot glides. They are a simple yet effective addition to any hospitality environment, as they are also available in various sizes of two-way tables, perfect for an array of different furniture configurations.